Welcome to Davi Toons Club.
Today, we're drawing Eunchae from Sserafim in an adorable Chibi style, complete with her vibrant spaghetti-era outfit, and joined by her cute mascot Hongppippi right by her side. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's create this fun, tiny, expressive version together. Start with the big Chibi eyes, wide and sparkling, with thick upper lashes that give Eunchae that lively, cheerful expression she's known for. Here, I used black line art at first, but later switched everything to a dark purple line to match the overall palette. Feel free to try this too. It creates a softer, more harmonious finish. And remember, if you ever get stuck or things move too fast, just pause the video, take your time, and keep going. Drawing is all about having fun. Eunchae is the maknae, which means youngest member of Sserafim, and is loved for her bright, energetic personality. She became well known for her variety show charm, thanks to her natural humor and confidence on camera. Add a tiny inverted V nose, very soft and simple, just enough to guide the expression. Draw her little cat-like smile, the curved mouth that resembles a kitten's grin, perfect for Eunchae's naturally playful charm. Now outline the oversized Chibi head, large and round, much bigger than the body to enhance the cute proportions. Add her straight, iconic bangs, making sure they cover where the eyebrows would be, a signature part of her look. The Sserafim's group concept centers around fearlessness, confidence, and self-expression. Sserafim is considered one of the leading girl groups of the fourth generation of K-pop. Their choreography blends sharp, strong movements with softer, graceful transitions. Add her long, straight black hair, nearly reaching her feet. And later, during coloring, we'll include subtle purple shines to match her spaghetti-era vibe. In K-pop, idols usually train in vocals, dance, acting, and even variety skills long before they debut. Eunchae's expressive dance style, especially her facial expressions, has become one of her trademarks on stage. Eunchae is known among fans for her warm, friendly interactions with the members and staff. If you're enjoying this cute Chibi drawing, don't forget to check out my other videos here on the channel. And good news, we're building a whole Sserafim playlist, so make sure to click the card above to explore more videos. Do you like other K-pop idols? Tell me which one you'd like to see transformed into a cartoon next. Sketch the delicate torso, small and simplified in true Chibi fashion. Draw her bright pink top, and we'll add the "Eat It Up" text later, just like in the final design. Draw her short, chubby Chibi legs, round and cute, supporting the full stylized body. Add her tall high-knee boots, bold and sleek, giving her that confident stage attitude. Add the stylish leather miniskirt, complete with straps, studs, and buckles to keep that cool idol aesthetic. The name Sserafim is an anagram of I'm fearless. Now the left arm, short and expressive, ending in an open little hand, and don't forget the arm sleeve that covers the forearm. For the right arm, lift it slightly and finish with the closed hand and raised pinky, just like the Eat It Up move in the choreography. Remember, Chibi hands often look like soft mittens, so only define the fingers when necessary. Hongppippi is Eunchae's cheerful mascot for Phim's Club, resembling a tiny yellow chick with tons of personality. Now let's go to Hongppippi. Let's start with drawing the little eyes, one of them winking at you. Hongppippi often represents Eunchae's cheerful and affectionate side. The little beak is a simple triangle. Now let's start Hongppippi's head, round and puffy with the cute blush shapes under the eyes. Add the tiny wings, with one raised and waving, giving that adorable cheerful greeting. Finish Hongppippi with the little ears and fluffy body, keeping the shape simple, round, and expressive. Perfect for matching the Chibi style. Before coloring, here are the main tones. Black hair with purple shines, pink top, purple skirt, pale skin, and bright yellows for Hongppippi. But feel free to color it however you like. Art is about having fun. And here's our Eunchae and Hongppippi. Tiny, stylish, expressive, and full of Chibi charm. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.